Have you ever thought that every painful step waking up with a creaking knee or feeling heavy in your legs is more than just a sign of aging? That's your body's warning. Collagen, the foundation of strong joints and skin, is gradually disappearing. But the amazing thing is 95% of seniors don't know that with just a few simple changes in your diet, you can regenerate collagen, reduce swelling, and regain mobility in just 12 hours. At the end of the video, we will send you the complete free ebook, Healthy Vegetarian Recipes for Seniors Nutrition, Handbook for Seniors Emergency, First Aid Guide, Herbal Medicine Handbook. Now let's find out the main content of today. Stop swelling, 16 collagen secrets for feet. Health tips for seniors. Today, we'll embark on an emotional journey with two friends, Anna and James, who overcame joint pain and leg swelling to rediscover the joy of their 60s through 16 natural collagen secrets from food. This isn't a dry list. It's an inspiring story from despair to hope, backed by science and touching the hearts of millions of seniors across America. Stick around until the end because the 16th collagen secret not only slashed Anna's knee pain by 50%, but also helped James walk 5 miles a day without a cane. Drop a comment now. How old are you and what worries you most about your joints or health? We read and respond to every comment because your story fuels our mission. Now let's start with Anna's journey and the first collagen secret, vitamin C from kiwi. A spark of hope in Anna's journey. Anna, a 67-year-old living in California, was once the star of family gatherings with her graceful ballroom dancing. But 4 years ago, she could barely stand for long due to swollen knees and aching ankles. I felt trapped in my own body, Anna shared, her voice trembling. Doctors diagnosed her with arthritis, but medications only dulled the pain temporarily while the swelling worsened. One day, while watching a health show, Anna learned about collagen secret number 1, vitamin C, the cornerstone of natural collagen production. She started with kiwi, a small fruit packing over 70 milliliters of vitamin C per serving, enough to activate enzymes that convert proline and lysine into collagen for tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. Anna ate 2 kiwis every morning, keeping the skin on for extra fiber and antioxidants. Within a week, her ankles felt less swollen, and for the first time in months, she could walk down the stairs without gripping the railing. A study from the University of Otago in New Zealand backs this up daily. Kiwi consumption boosted blood vitamin C levels by 31%, easing joint stiffness and improving range of motion. Kiwi wasn't just a fruit, it was my first glimmer of hope, Anna said. But her journey was just beginning. A new breakthrough came when she discovered collagen secret number 2, bromelain from pineapple, quenching the fire of inflammation with pineapple. Anna added fresh pineapple to her breakfast, not for its sweetness, but for bromelain, a unique enzyme that breaks down proteins and tames inflammation. Inflammation is collagen's worst enemy, destroying cartilage and causing swelling and stiffness. For Anna, standing too long felt like her knees were burning. Bromelain in pineapple acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, targeting swollen tissues around the knees and hips. A study in clinical rheumatology found that arthritis patients using bromelain reduced joint pain and swelling by 41% in just 30 days. Even better, pineapple delivers 75 milliliters of vitamin C and manganese, key players in collagen-building enzymes. Anna sliced fresh pineapple, eating it in the morning when her stomach was most active. She avoided canned versions as added sugars dampen anti-inflammatory benefits. After 2 weeks, Anna wasn't just walking around her garden, she was practicing simple dance steps again. I felt liberated, she said, her eyes sparkling. But the story doesn't end with Anna. Meet James, her friend and fellow traveler, who found freedom with collagen secret number 3, papain from papaya. James, from cane to free steps. James, 72, was once a table tennis champion in Seattle before retiring, but arthritis and aging forced him to rely on a cane, leaving behind his days of dominating the court. I didn't want to burden my kids, James confided, his voice heavy with emotion. One day, Anna shared her secret, and James decided to try papaya, a source of papain, a rare enzyme that breaks proteins into amino acids essential for collagen. Papaya not only outshines oranges in vitamin C, but also helps rebuild connective tissues, reducing joint friction and stiffness. A study in Journal of Medicinal Food shows daily papaya consumption improved joint flexibility and reduced pain in 2 weeks. James ate ripe papaya soft and juicy with a splash of lime for extra vitamin C. He even tossed a few seeds into smoothies for their potent anti-inflammatory compounds. After 10 days, James ditched his cane and strolled through the park. "I felt like I was 50 again," he laughed heartily. But he didn't stop there. A new door opened with Collagen's secret number 4 lycopene from guava. Guava, a shield for collagen strength. Guava wasn't familiar to James, but Anna convinced him to try it for its lycopene and vitamin C 4 times higher than an orange. A single guava delivers over 200 milliliters of vitamin C, turbocharging collagen production and protecting existing fibers from inflammation's damage. Lycopene and polyphenols in guava are powerful antioxidants blocking oxidative stress in connective tissues. A study in Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found daily guava consumption increased skin elasticity and reduced joint inflammation in 6 weeks. For James, guava eased ankle swelling, especially after long walks. He ate fresh guava skin and all for added fiber. "It's not just good for joints, it makes me feel young," he said. His journey continued with a new discovery, collagen secret number 5, anthocyanin from blackberries. Blackberries, the quiet hero of joints. James added blackberries to his breakfast for their anthocyanin, a deep purple compound that shields collagen from destructive enzymes. When inflammation spikes, these enzymes attack cartilage and ligaments, causing swelling and pain. Blackberries break that cycle. A study in Nutrients shows seniors eating blackberries daily reduced cartilage damage markers by 25% and improved blood flow, delivering nutrients to joints faster. James mixed blackberries with yogurt, eating them in the morning to curb overnight inflammation. After a month, he wasn't just walking, he was playing table tennis with his grandkids. "I never thought a tiny berry could pack such a punch," he said. But James hadn't seen it all yet, as Anna introduced him to collagen's secret number 6 flavonoid from blueberries. Blueberries, enduring strength for your 60s. Blueberries became Anna's next secret weapon. Packed with flavonoids, they protect and rebuild the collagen framework in joints. A study in Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found daily blueberry consumption improved mobility by 38% and reduced leg swelling in 14 days. Anna loved fresh blueberries mixed with oatmeal. They not only made her knees more flexible, but also improved circulation, easing the heaviness in her legs. "I feel as light as I did in my youth," she shared. But a new discovery brought Anna closer to her dreams. Collagen secret number 7, ellagic acid from strawberries. Strawberries, a gentle love for your joints. Strawberries are delicious, but also collagen's ally, thanks to ellagic acid, an antioxidant that blocks enzymes eroding cartilage. A study in Journal of Medicinal Food shows strawberries reduced inflammation markers by 37% and boosted collagen density in connective tissues. Anna ate a cup of fresh strawberries every morning, keeping the green tops for smoothies. After 2 weeks, her knee swelling faded, and she danced her beloved ballroom steps again. "Strawberries are nature's gift," she said, her voice full of gratitude. But Anna kept pushing forward, uncovering collagen secret number 8, manganese from raspberries. Raspberries, boundless energy for collagen. Raspberries deliver manganese, a mineral that activates collagen-building enzymes. They're also rich in anthocyanins, protecting cartilage from inflammation. James added raspberries to smoothies, supporting his joints during table tennis matches. A study from Oregon State University shows raspberries enhanced collagen density and circulation, especially in the legs. After a month, James felt no post-activity pain. "Raspberries are my perfect partner," he said. A turning point came for Anna with collagen's secret number 9, quercetin from apples. Apples, the secret to lasting strength. Apples contain quercetin, a potent anti-inflammatory flavonoid that safeguards collagen from oxidative stress. A study in Nutrients found daily apple consumption reduced arthritis inflammation by 30% and improved flexibility. Anna ate fresh apples skin on for fiber and quercetin. After a month, she wasn't just dancing, she was teaching community ballroom classes. "Apples make me feel forever young," she smiled. Their journey continued with a small but mighty discovery, collagen secret number 10, omega-3 from chia seeds. Chia seeds, power in tiny packages. Anna added chia seeds to smoothies for omega-3 healthy fats that reduce inflammation and support collagen production. Omega-3s enhance blood flow, delivering nutrients to joints faster. A study in Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows omega-3s reduced arthritis inflammation by 35% in 8 weeks. Anna soaked chia seeds in water for better absorption. "These tiny seeds are mighty," she said. James, meanwhile, found strength in collagen secret number 11 pro-anthocyanidin from red grapes. Red grapes, a powerful antioxidant shield. Red grapes contain proanthocyanidin, an antioxidant protecting collagen from inflammation damage. A study in arthritis research and therapy found red grapes reduced joint pain by 32% in 6 weeks. James ate fresh red grapes, avoiding sugary canned versions. After 2 weeks, his legs felt lighter during walks. "Red grapes are my daily joy," he said. Anna moved forward with an unexpected find: collagen secret number 12 silic from cucumbers. Cucumbers, a lifeline for cartilage and joints. Cucumbers provide silic, a mineral that boosts collagen production and strengthens cartilage. A study in Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine shows silic improved joint flexibility by 28% in 4 weeks. Anna added cucumbers to salads, keeping the skin for silic. "Cucumbers make me feel refreshed," she said. James discovered a new treasure with collagen secret number 13 polyphenol from pomegranates. Pomegranates, a flame of rejuvenation. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, protecting collagen and reducing inflammation. A study in Journal of Nutrition found pomegranates cut arthritis inflammation by 40% in 8 weeks. James drank fresh pomegranate juice, avoiding sugary versions. After a month, he walked 5 miles pain-free. "Pomegranates are my secret," he grinned. Anna pressed on with collagen secret number 14 beta-carotene from carrots. Carrots, strength in vibrant orange carrots, deliver beta-carotene, an antioxidant supporting collagen production. A study in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows beta-carotene reduced arthritis inflammation by 33% in 6 weeks. Anna ate raw or steamed carrots, preserving their bright orange hue. "Carrots make me feel powerful," she said. James uncovered collagen secret number 15 curcumin from turmeric. Turmeric, the golden solution for joints. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that protects collagen. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin reduced joint pain by 45% in 12 weeks. James added turmeric to a smoothie with black pepper for better absorption. "Curcumin is magic," he says. Finally, Anna and James reached the pinnacle of their journey: collagen secret number 16 amla, the king of collagen. Amla, the pinnacle of transformation. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is Anna and James's ultimate secret. The fruit boasts extremely stable vitamin C combined with polyphenols, which boost collagen production and protect cartilage. A study in the Journal of Clinical Interventions in Aging found that amla reduced knee pain by 42% and increased collagen density by 24% in 12 weeks. Anna mixes amla powder with honey every morning, while James drinks fresh amla juice. Within days, both of them felt lighter in their knees, less swollen, and more mobile. Amla is a miracle. Anna says, tears welling up in her eyes as she recalls dancing pain-free for the first time in 4 years. Anna and James' journey isn't just about health, it's also proof that aging has no limits. Every painful step, every creaky joint can be transformed if you take action. These 16 natural collagen hacks: kiwi, pineapple, papaya, guava, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, apples, chia seeds, red grapes, cucumbers, pomegranates, carrots, turmeric, and amla don't just reduce swelling, they help restore strength from within. Start today. Pick one food from this list and add it to your breakfast. Within 12 to 48 hours, you may feel less pain, more flexibility, and lighter on your feet. Life after 60. Today, we'd like to thank you for joining us, and as promised, we will send you the Senior Health Tips ebook. The ebook link we have pinned in the description. Please watch and give us your comments so we can create more useful videos for our seniors. Every view and comment inspires us to bring you more valuable content. Leave a comment. What food will you try first? Please share this video with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to see our next health tips. And don't forget, Bon, our sincere companion, who reminds us that health is the greatest gift of life. Together, let's make your 60s a vibrant and joyful journey. See you in the next video.